Hello, I saw your question in the email. You want to write this quotient with a positive exponent. You have x to the negative seventh power over x to the third power. Simplify it, type an answer only with a positive exponent. So here I rewrote x to the negative seventh power over x cubed. There's different ways you might handle it. You have a top or numerator of this fraction, and you have a bottom or denominator of this fraction. If you have a negative exponent, if you move that term to the other place, where it's currently in the numerator, if I move it to the denominator, that will change the sign of the exponent. So this negative exponent will become a positive. If it was in the denominator, I moved it to the numerator, it would change its sign. So there are different ways to go about it, but that's just the way I always like doing it. And so I'm going to move the x to the seventh to the denominator. Well, what's left in the numerator, is a 1. So I'm taking this negative exponent, I move it to the denominator, changes its sign, and then I have a 1 in the numerator. Now here you have a product, x to the third times x to the seventh. You just add the exponents. And so that's 1 over x to the 10th power. Now there are different ways to explain this. I'm just, this one the way I like to explain it. So what you're missing here is the numerator of that fraction. X to the 10th is actually the denominator. I hope this helps.